can't give my heart to nobody. I think she wanna love. What was cracking? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys are liars. Boys are liars. What was cracking? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Oh, it's 4:30 right now, and she said we're going to the beach at 4, and she still didn't wake up. Mom? Mom! Ah! OMG, who was that? How many times I have told you not to wake people like that? They may be scared, right? I'm sorry. Okay, now why did you wake me up? No, not necessary, I think. No, it's okay. I'm sorry. You tell me, please, why did you wake me up? Please? Can you remember that you told we are going to the beach today at 4 p.m.? Oh, yeah, I can remember. It's 4:30 right now. It's 4:30? Okay, then never mind. Let's get ready quickly and let's go. Tell your dad and sister also to get ready. You also go and get ready. I'll get ready also. Okay, I will. Here he is. Daddy? Daddy? Yeah, why did you wake me up? Mom told to wake you up. For what? Can't you remember today's the beach day? Okay, I'll go get ready. And did Mom tell about Lucas and Lenny? Nothing about them. Anyway, go and get ready. We must go soon, okay? Okay, then I'll go and get ready also. Okay. Then the monster appeared from that child's behind. Uh-oh. It's okay, Lenny. It's just a story. Please don't cry. Please. I heard Lenny's crying. It was just a story, Mom. Not a scary one, right? Anyway, what about the beach? I heard that sister's telling the dad to get ready. Oh yeah, better to get ready soon. Go get ready. Okay, I will. Also, no scary stories for Lenny, okay? Okay. Oh, here you are. For what? I want the cream. Oh, you were not searching for me then. I was searching for the cream. Thank you. You're welcome. All the way I was searching for Lucas. He was with me. We must get ready soon. Oh yeah, the beach. Honey, shall we go now? Where's Daddy? He's on the way. He will come right now, okay? I'm here. Here he is. Shall we go now? Let's go. This is so delicious. Really? This one delicious too. Shall we have some fun? Let's go and ask from the mom to decide, okay? Great idea. I guess we must have some fun today. Let's go. Mom? Mom? Yeah? Can Celestia and I go and have a fun? Okay, you can, but don't go too far. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Can you tell us the menu, please? Oh yes, of course. We have drinks and also ice creams and also some items they are new to our That's all. Can we know what are the new items that you told in earlier? They are the pineapple mixture, the salad mixture and the coconut mixture. 2 coconut mixtures, please. You can try this until they'll be ready. It's good. Wanna try? No, I'm not interested. Well, then I'll eat it. Your is ready. Thank you. Let's go there so we can enjoy it very well. Good idea. This is the best coconut mixture I have ever tasted. Now let's go and get coconut. Can we have 2 coconut drinks, please? Here you go. Thank you for my one. Thank you for my one also. I wonder what's that shop over there. Let's go and see. Can we know about this shop? In here we sell papers. Okay, thank you. So tired. Let's go now. Hey mom. Did you enjoy? Yeah mom, we enjoyed. Then let's go home. I guess Dad is enjoying well. Very well. Oh, you can. Let's go home now. Yeah, let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you like it, don't forget to like and comment. For more videos, subscribe.